Welcome back to North Mississippi Outdoors with the Joiners. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Not trying to sell anything. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not sponsoring anything. I am certainly not trying to do your taxes for you. But what I did want to share is that you can really save money by doing your own taxes. I see so many people these days, so many young people, so many older people that have someone do their taxes for them. And I wanted to, pass along a little bit of savings information to everyone, all of our viewers, that you can actually do your own taxes. And in some cases, you can do it for 100% free. As you think about tax season's right around the corner, or a couple people are already starting to file their taxes. A lot of people are already doing the tax advance loans off their last check, which, in case y'all don't know, is really expensive. They charge a huge percentage. It's actually a loan. They're not doing your taxes for you. They are giving you a loan that you're paying back out of your tax refund. And that's what happens whenever you run into that situation where you want your money now. The average cost charged to by tax preparers are anywhere from $200 and up. So you can spend a lot of money doing your taxes. Long time ago, I learned that I could do my own taxes. It took me a couple of times of using a paid preparer before Michelle allowed me to do our taxes. And the way that I did it was I simply did our taxes. Then we went in and paid a paid preparer, the person that we was going to have do our taxes anyhow, to do our taxes, and we compared. I think one year I got it exactly perfect, and the next year I was off by a penny. And it was a penny to our favor, not to theirs. So you can definitely do it. The whole tax-free or tax advance loan thing, they charge as much as 35% interest to get your money now. And that's if you're getting a refund. No reason to do that and waste that money when you could have that money in your pocket. I mean, it is your money. It's just a matter of if you want to wait a couple of more weeks to get it. Now, as I talk about this is for federal taxes. Your state, you are probably going to have to either fill out the form yourself or pay someone to do it. Or when I say pay someone to do it, it'll be part of the preparation process, but you'll have to pay to e-file. And the way that you do that is by going to the irs.gov website, and you go on there, and I'll drop a picture down below, or a picture. In the video so that you can see the video screens of where to go on the IRS website. But if you make less than, I believe it's $73,000 a year adjusted gross income, then you can get your taxes done for free. But you'll go to that section of the irs.gov website, answer a few questions. They will locate a preparation company, a preparing company for you so that you can do your taxes online. And realistically, all you have to do is fill in the blanks. Now, that being said, this is for people that have simple taxes. If you have had one or two jobs in the last year, a single individual or a couple, and you're filing 1040 easy form, you don't have a lot of itemized deductions. And when I say itemized deductions, the standard deduction this year is $12,950 for an individual and $25,900 for a couple for filing joint. That is a large deductible amount to have to get above if you're, trying to itemize your deductions. For us, for the last couple of years with our income, it has worked with us for, to use the standard deduction. We came out better off. You can also e-file your return, and doing this, doing it through the government's website and for free, as long as you fall into that category and make a certain amount of money less. But what I was telling you was yes, you'll get to e-file your IRS federal tax form, but most when you get there, it's going to charge you a fee to do your state tax return if you have state income tax. The fee is going to be way less than $200. I can tell you that for sure. The downside is no, they're not going to hand you a check when, you're not going to get a check right away. You're not going to get your money today, but you will get it within a couple of weeks once preparation time is open and you've got your correct forms. You can't do this until you have your W-2 forms in your hand. As soon as you have your W-2 forms in your hand, you can go on this tax preparation websites through the IRS for free, fill out your own taxes, e-file your forms, and you will get your check. If you're getting a refund, you'll get your refund back within a couple of weeks. It won't take very long at all. Been doing it for years. It's really easy. It's basically fill in the blank. I'm going to drop all of the web pages in the video below and drop it in there so that you can see exactly where to go and what to do. And as long as you can simply fill in those blanks on that form, and in fact, in most of the websites that you'll go to will actually import your W-2 tax information. So there's not even an opportunity for you to make a mistake. But wanted to share that little bit of information with y'all, let you know that you can save some money doing your own taxes. It's not hard. The IRS scares people, or it's scary to think that the IRS is going to come and get you, or you're going to make a mistake on your taxes and they're going to come after you and all of that. Realistically, it's not very likely to happen. We got computer software out there now that's going to catch those mistakes, and so it's very, very unlikely, as long as you enter the information correctly and as long as you have simple tax information. You're an individual, you work for a company, they give you a W-2 form, you don't have a lot of investments or other income from other sources, you can do your own taxes for free or at a reduced cost versus paying what you're going to pay a paid preparer. I'll tell you the other little secret. Most of these little shops that open up in these outlet malls on the corner, when you go in there and have that person do your taxes, they are not a CPA, they are not an accountant. They are going to do exactly what you're going to do at home on the computer. They're going to enter your information into the computer and give you a check based on what that information comes back as, when realistically you can do that yourself, save some money and do it at home. And if you make less than $73,000, do it for free. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share, like, subscribe to our videos. We got more videos coming out soon. We're going to have a video of some deer pictures, deer coverage that we got in our front yard. We did get a couple of game cameras and put those out. We also have some surveillance camera coverage of some deer in our front yard, and we will get that coming out to you soon. Again, also remember that we have created our own Facebook page. Please check us out on Facebook at North MS Outdoors. Follow us on Facebook as well. Thank you for watching.